This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open an Trade brokerage account online and complete identity verification to enable crypto trading. Use your driver license or passport and enter your social security number exactly as issued. Verification typically completes within minutes to a few days depending on checks. Enable two-step verification in security settings and link a bank account for ACH transfers so you can move funds in and out. Linking requires your bank login or small micro deposits. Confirm you meet age and residency requirements. Initiate an ACH transfer from your linked bank account and wait for funds to settle before trading. Same-day instant deposit options may exist for eligible accounts. In the Trade app or web platform, search the crypto ticker symbol, choose Buy, and decide whether to enter the dollar amount or a crypto quantity. The interface will preview estimated units. Review fees, spread, and potential slippage in the order preview. Then submit a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set a target price for execution. Enable two-step verification and use strong, unique passwords. For large or long-term holdings, consider transferring crypto to a private wallet you control rather than keeping everything on an exchange-style custody. Treat each sale, trade, or conversion as a taxable event. Keep exported transaction history, timestamps, and cost basis records to calculate gains or losses accurately for each disposition. Expect Trade to provide transaction history and applicable Form 1099 information when required, and consult tax guidance for reporting capital gains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.